Today we're going to read a Learn About the World or informational book called Honeybees. Now this looks a little more like informational books that I'm used to. There are real pictures and photographs in the book. Now today, when I take a picture walk with you, I'm going to point out some things that I want you to take a close look at. This book has a table of contents. That tells you where I can find more things that I want to know and on what page. So if I want to learn about the body, I can go to page 5. If I want to learn what honeybees do, I can go to page 13. If I want to learn about the special words in the book, I can go and flip all the way right back to page 22. And it'll tell me what an antenna is, the eye, the hive, honey. It has all of the definitions on the back. Now I'm looking at this page. I'm going to take a picture walk and I'm going to point out the labels. See how this is pointing to the antennas? It's showing me different parts of the body, because in the table of contents, this told me it was about the body. This one, it says small eyes, and it has 3 arrows pointing to the small eyes, and then large eyes, and it's got the 2 arrows pointing to the large eyes. This one, it's like a whole hive covered in bees. Ooh, does anyone know what that special word is for what they're collecting? Keep thinking. Think about all that you know about bees. Oh, this right here is called a pollen basket. I bet that has something to do with how they carry pollen from flower to flower. And right here, can you see? This part is called the proboscis. That's a really tricky word. And I see they're in the hive and I see some honey. And then I'm back to the words to know, where I can read more, and sites that I can go to. Now that I know and I've got my brain ready to read about honeybees, I'm going to try and read the book. Honeybees have stripes. Well, they do. They have black and yellow stripes. Honeybees have 2 antennas. That word is right there, antennas. Honeybees have 4 wings. Oh, let me look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Honeybees have 5 eyes. I remember, look at 1, 2, 3, and then 2 large eyes. Honeybees live in hives. A honeybee hive covered with bees. Honeybees collect pollen and nectar from flowers. That pollen must be what's all over that bee. Honeybees carry pollen on their legs in pollen baskets. I don't know if I knew that. I think I just learned a new fact. Honeybees drink nectar from flowers with their proboscis. Honeybees use nectar to make honey in their hives. I want you to think about what it is that you learned about honeybees. Now in the back of this book, it tells you lots of other series, so you could learn about butterflies or termites or ladybugs. If you're not that interested in honeybees, there are still a lot of other Learn About the World books that you can find and learn more about the world around you.